Analyzing network load. Analyzing the network load is a crucial feature for assessing the frequency of transport routes. This tool is essential for tasks like determining the width of pathways or analyzing bottlenecks. All transport connections are displayed on top of each other on your network, which can seem cluttered. That's where the Sankey diagram comes in, summing up the intensities across all transports for the period. You can access this by opening the network loads in the task menu on the right-hand side. You can expand specific sections to check for more details. This visualization helps in making informed decisions. Notice the color transition from red to green? This indicates load intensity, but remember, red doesn't necessarily mean bad. Red is simply the highest frequency of transportation.